This is a thong. This is a 100% a thong bottom, which I don't know if I'm comfortable with. Hey guys, what's up? It's Lauren. So your girl is about to go on vacation, and naturally for like a 6-day trip, I ordered 11 bikinis because like if you just do the math, that just makes sense. Right? I've also always been the type of person that doesn't want to spend more than like $20, like $10 ideally on a bikini or a new bathing suit. So I have graciously taken one of the team here to do a little bikini research with these 11 bikinis to see how good the quality is and to see if a $5 to $10 bikini is the same quality as a $20 to $40 bikini. So we've got a whole pile of, honestly, just a lot of crotch stickers that I still have to peel off. So we've got a ton of cute bathing suits and I'll give you a little rating on each one for quality, but honestly, at first glance when I unpack them, these bathing suits are okay, so the first one is actually this one piece and it said, what does it even say? What do I even say? Island vibes. I say island vibes. That's like a cool like Cali beach girl type of thing to say, I feel like. Because I'm not naturally a Cali beach girl, so I don't know. This one looked really wide when I first pulled it out of the package, but apparently I am wider than I thought because it fits perfectly. And it's also not a super cheeky one, which is great because my parents will also be on this vacation. Usually I try and like not pair butt cheeks and parents in the same trip. My only complaint is that there is literally nothing happening here. Not on me. We know there's nothing happening on me. But I mean like in terms of padding or anything. I mean, YOLO, it's not like anything's gonna fall out anyway. Okay, here's island vibes. I have like a little bit of armpit situation happening here if I like slouch down, but maybe it's just a reminder so I can have good posture. But this is cute. The booty is cute. Got some coverage. Okay. I'm not mad about $5. Bathing suit number 2 is super cute, and this one's kind of risky. I've never had anything like this. This is what it looks like. It's got a little bit of underwire, which seems to be really good quality. Oh, are we flexible and bendy? My only concern is I feel like my chest might not line up completely with where things need to be lined up to be covered. TBD, I'm super excited to try this one on and see if things are aligned. But for freaking $5 for this whole set, this is really cute. And crotch sticker. And these bottoms are really, is this the way this goes? So these bottoms will not be joining us on the vacation because they look the same on the front and the back, aka that means butt cheeks galore. Okay, so I definitely can't turn around because these bottoms are straight up my butt, like straight up my butt. This is a thong. This is a 100% a thong bottom, which I don't know if I'm comfortable with. But the top is super cute. The wire is moldable, which I think is really convenient, especially for like $7 or however much I paid for this. A very small amount of money for a lot of bathing suit quality. But like, could I play beach volleyball or go swimming in this bathing suit? Definitely not. But could I like take photos or sit in a lounge chair and be totally immobile? Probably. There's definitely a lot of room for mishap, shall we put it. This next one is a little bandeau top with not adjustable straps. Interesting. I don't think I've ever owned a bikini that didn't have adjustable straps, so hopefully your girl lines up properly with this one too. Also, there's no padding here, like literally nothing. And I mean, I don't have boobs, but I do have the little things that sit on top of boobs that sometimes come through. And I mean, hashtag free the nipple, totally here for it. But I don't know, this seems like it may be a situation where this is only gonna cover the top of my chest and not the things that it should be covering. But I actually love the color of this, and then the bottoms are a really cute like tropical pink floral, and these ones are again not coming on vacation. Woohoo! You also don't get the option to order a different size top and bottom, so you kind of just end up with whatever a small or whatever a medium of both sizes looks like. So yeah, these are super cute. Oh, is that a cheetah? We have one cheetah in his lone tropical jungle of thongness. Okay, this one took me about 20 minutes to get into. Probably needed about 3 people to get me into this. I'm dreading taking it off because it is so tight. Also, I am flatter than I've ever been before in my life, so that's good. I actually don't mind the length of these straps. I thought they were gonna be really short, but they're not too bad. Bottoms, super cute. They're like a little cheeky, but I'm down with it. This one's cute. I'm gonna maybe not rock with the top, but I rock with these bottoms. Next is this purple set, and this one does have padding. It's always so confusing to see what justifies getting padding and what doesn't get padding. This one is super cute. I have high hopes for it. It's a little bit longer, I think, than a regular bandeau. These ones have a little more booty coverage, so you may be able to come on vacation. But in general, these look a lot smaller, like this way wise, than the other bottoms, and I just ordered a small in everything. So it seems to be a little inconsistent. Oh, P.S. everything is from romwe. This is not sponsored. This is just me wanting to do some research. Mom, I promise it's research. Okay, these bottoms are definitely the smallest that I've tried on so far, so they're definitely a little tighter, like not unwearable, but like probably couldn't wear after a big lunch. On the bright side, this color is super cute. I actually really like this one. It's really soft too. It's stretchier than the blue one. This one was like a one-person job getting it on. That blue one? Not a one-person job. Next is another bandeau set. This one is a really cute floral and again has padding, is a little bit thinner than the other one, and then cute bottoms, and these ones don't seem, I don't know, I have high hopes. Honestly, I've just been really underestimating the size of my butt lately. It is a little thicker than I thought it was. Might be the squats. Not entirely sure, but I have been not successfully sizing myself. So hopefully these both fit. All right, bandeau number 45. So this one is definitely the biggest. Like if I got hit by a wave, this would be like, swoop, and it would be around my ankles. And that is not the goal of a bathing suit top, I feel like. But the pattern is super cute, and also the joy of having a white bathing suit is that I already got foundation on the top of it, so that's also really good. But aside from my flaws as a human, it's pretty cute. Bottoms are kind of small, top is a little bit big, so it's not the perfect fit, but for $5, not bad. Oh my gosh, okay, this is my second favorite one, I think, out of all of them. This pattern is to freaking die for. I think this one was actually $9. Most of them were between $5 and $8, but this one might have been $9 because this pattern is popping. Has padding, which is great. My only concern is that this is the back of it, so A, it's not adjustable. B, you might get weird tan lines, but that's just like a personal choice. And C, I always just feel like my skin kind of pops out, if you know what I'm saying. Like it just like kind of makes lumps, you know? And the bottoms, man, these bottoms are all real cheeky. Okay. Yes, we are pairing a little bit of butt cheek and parental exposure happening on this vacation, but these are so cute and also seem really small. But honestly, I just feel like this quality is literally the exact same as any other store that I've ever bought bathing suits at. We're not talking like the Victoria's Secrets or the really expensive bathing suit stores. We're talking like mid-tier, anywhere between $20 and $40. These seams are totally intact. They're stretchy. Some of them have padding and the patterns are bomb. So far, so good. We'll see if I get lumps. Oh my gosh, I love this one. I super love this one. The colors are so cute and it fits really well. A little thongy, but I like it enough that my parents are just gonna have to put up with a little bit of butt cheeks on the beach. What you gonna do? So here's the lump situation. It's pretty loose, it's pretty good fitting, so I don't think I'm lumpy. It's not bad, it's totally doable, I think. Am I lumpy space princess? Am I lumpy DIY princess? Honestly, even if I am lumpy, I don't really care. It's so cute and I'm down for it. Give me all the lumps because it's worth it. Okay, this next one is my #1 favorite. It's so cute! I also realized that I ordered a ton of bandeaus, which I actually kind of like. I prefer to not have the tan lines up here of straps. It's a really cute, just like black and white polka dotty, and again, has padding, has a little bit of wiring on the side. Whoa, these seem really big. These seem a lot bigger than the other ones, but again, I don't seem to have a proper idea of how big my butt is, so these might fit. But hands down, favorite pattern, so cute. I think this was also a $9 one, but worth it. Also, $9 is literally less than 2 days of my coffee order that I get every day. Worth it. I'm so glad I like this one as much on as I did when it wasn't on. It's super cute. My only complaint is that there's a little bit of the crotch sticker sticky stuck to the inside of the bathing suit. It's kind of sticking to my butt, but I think if I wash it a few times, we'll get past it. We will work through it because you are worth it. Next up, we have another bandeau, and it is yellow. I feel like yellow is super trendy. Adeline Morin, I know you were on that trend first. I feel like she was really just the OG of the yellow trend. It also comes with straps here if you want a little more support. Your girl don't need it, so we're good with just a bandeau. And I love these because they're tie-up, so they really fit almost anyone. If this fits, then this will fit. And these look teeny tiny little baby bottom diaper bottom, but these obviously untie, so I think these are gonna be really cute. And also booty coverage, not bad, not bad. And also just like a really fun waffle fabric. I'm not even sure what this fabric is, but it's a little bit different than the rest of them, and I'm super into it. Adeline, I am coming for your brand because this is so cute, and I'm about to buy a ton more yellow bathing suits. Actually, I need 0 more bathing suits, let's be real. Also guys, I'm like having trouble making commentary because they're all so cute and they're all fitting pretty well and they're all super cheap and totally worth it. And I thought that there was gonna be some major like roasting opportunities, but there really are not. Next we have another one piece, and this is what it looks like. Again, I always think these are so wide, and then I try it on and I'm like, cool, I guess I'm wider than I thought I was. And this one has padding, which I'm super excited about. And the back has a crossy strap situation. These are not adjustable, so we'll see. Ooh, booty coverage is good. Okay, I see you, one piece. Our first bathing suit to roast. I'm so excited. I never thought I'd be excited to like hate on a bathing suit because obviously I wanted them all to work. It's a little wider than I am wide. And also these bottoms feel like I'm wearing a legitimate diaper. I understand that I need space for a food baby, but like this is a lot. This is a lot. I have a diaper butt right now. It's not cute. I will give it to them though. The booby pads are good quality, but this is just a lot. This is a lot. So maybe for someone else, not for me. Such a cute pattern and a really cute back. It had so much potential. Ooh, this next one is cute. Okay, so this is a one strap, which I feel like is more of a photo shoot type of bathing suit because who's trying to have a tan line on just one side? Not me. And it also comes with this little pretty tie that just goes around the waist in the same color, but I have somehow managed to lose it downstairs, so I will find that for the try-on portion. But booby cups, booty coverage not bad, cute color, no loose strings happening, A+. So far. I feel a little bit like Borat. This goes up so high. I was not expecting that at all. Like my hips are here. This is basically at my ribs. Like this is really, really aggressive. And the butt is actually not bad. Like there's coverage on the butt. I wasn't ready. I wasn't mentally prepared. I had no idea. But also, is it cute? I feel like it is pretty cute. This one shoulder situation is good. It's also the softest one out of all of them. I put it on and it felt like putting on freaking heaven. It was so soft, but also a little bit of Borat. So there's that. Pros and cons, you know? And last but not least, we have another non-adjustable bandeau, but these straps look a little longer. And also, I had no idea, but this is reversible, so you've got marble, and then you've got bam! You got zebra. Oh, actually, this is definitely not reversible. Why do they put such a cute pattern on the inside? Cute marble, booby cups, non-adjustable straps, but also feels like it's a totally okay length. And okay, these bottoms, honestly, I don't know. This looks a lot to me like a G-string. So I think that I'll be pairing that with black bottoms, but honestly, maybe it's actually not that bad. I don't know, we will see. Okay, yeah, definitely not comfortable in these bottoms, but the pattern is super cute, so I'll probably just swap these bottoms out for like white or black. These were the underwears that I was not allowed to wear in middle school. But the top is super cute, and even though the straps are not adjustable, they fit pretty good. And I am happy with them, but these bottoms gotta go. They gotta go. So those are all the bathing suits and bikinis that I ordered for my upcoming vacation, which I am so excited for. Make sure to follow me on Instagram and Twitter if you want to stay up to date. I've been doing a bunch of pre-filming, so all the uploads will still be happening as usual, but I will be getting my tan on because I super need it. Like I don't need it because I'm half Asian, so like I'm a little, you know, like I've got a little bit of a tan, but like, I just feel like everyone looks a little better tan. I don't know. P.S. There are a ton of exciting announcements happening this summer/fall, and you definitely don't want to miss this. So make sure you're following the vlogs and also all the socials because I'll be rolling out announcements all summer/early fall, and it's gonna be crazy. I've started tweeting stuff already, and you guys are freaking out, and I'm freaking out, and Moose is freaking out. We're all freaking out a little bit. I'm just so ready. I'm so ready for you guys to see what I've been working on for the last 2 years in secret. Anyways, if you haven't seen last Wednesday's weekly vlog, that'll be linked in the down bar below, and I will see you guys on Wednesday for another weekly vlog, and on Sunday for another Sunday. Okay, bye guys, love you.
I'm the DIY queen, that's the royal elite. My pretty little kingdom out here running the streets. DIY.